Hello my dear students. Today I am going to explain you how to measure vertical angle using transit theodolite. This is a transit theodolite where we will be using this for measuring vertical angle. Requirement. What are the apparatus required for finding out this vertical angle? Mainly theodolite is required. Inside this theodolite itself you have optical plummet so that centering can be done without a plumb bob. Right? Using this optical plummet itself we can do centering. Then you have the station point B, only theodolite is enough for measuring this vertical angle, right? Okay, let us take this point as B. The objective of today's work is to find the vertical angle between the station A and the given top of the flag post. I want to find the vertical angle. Now this is what the aim of the exercise today. How to record, how to measure this vertical angle using this transit theodolite, that I will be explaining now. Okay. So what is the procedure? This is station A and top of the flag post is station B. I want to measure the angle, right? This vertical angle I want to measure. So how to do it? This is the station A over which the instrument has to be set. The station A has been given. Over this station A, the instrument is set. We have to do centering, we have to do leveling, and we have to do the focusing and removing the parallax. All the three temporary adjustments has to be made using this at this particular station A. After making all the temporary adjustments, let the face of the instrument be to the left. Now the instrument is left, face left, and whatever the observations which I will be making is face left observation. Already the leveling process already has been done. All temporary adjustments has been done in this instrument. All temporary adjustments has been done. And you have to level the instrument with respect to altitude bubble also. This is the altitude bubble. Before measuring the vertical angle, the altitude bubble also should be leveled. The instrument should be leveled with respect to plate bubble as well as altitude bubble. Now the instrument is ready for taking the vertical angle. Now face is towards the left. Whatever the observations which I am making, this observation is face left observation. Now the procedure for finding out the vertical angle. Now the vertical angle in verniers, this is vernier C and this is vernier D. The angle in vernier C and vernier D should be 0 degree, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. You have to first make the angle 0 degrees, 0 minutes, 0 seconds in vernier C as well as in vernier D. Let us set the angle 0 degree. The 0 of the vernier and 0 of the main scale both should coincide each other. Using your vertical clamp screw, this is the vertical clamp screw, loose the vertical clamp screw and make the angle 0 degrees, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. 0 of the main scale and 0 of the vernier both should coincide each other. For finer bisection, use tangential screw, that is a vertical tangent screw use. Now the vernier C is 0 degree, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Similarly, vernier D also should be. Now vernier D is also 0 degree, 0 minutes, 0 seconds. Set angle 0 degrees, 0 minutes and 0 seconds in both vernier C and vernier D. Now the instrument is exactly horizontal. Line of axis is horizontal. The line of axis is 0 degrees, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Now bisect the station B, that is top of the flag post. The crosshairs For finer bisection, use tangential screw. Okay, now the angle is, now the object is exactly bisected. The two crosshairs, the horizontal crosshair and vertical crosshair. Okay, the object is exactly center of these two crosshairs. Once the bisection has been done, now measure the angle in vernier C and vernier D. And note down this angle in both vernier C and vernier D. Now the angle, that is 0 of the vernier, where the 0 of the vernier is coinciding. Now the 0 of the vernier C, the 0 is coinciding at main scale reading. Now note down the main scale reading. Main scale reading is 10 degree 0 minutes is the main scale reading. Now vernier scale reading you have to take 10 degrees 0 minutes, 10 degrees 0 minutes is the main scale reading. Now the vernier scale reading, coinciding vernier scale reading is 5 minutes 20 seconds. Therefore, the vertical angle is 10 degree 5 minutes 20 seconds. Now enter this at A, instrument A, the horizontal axis is 0. At vernier C, when it is sighted to B, the angle is 10 degree 5 minutes 20 seconds. 10 degree 5 minutes 20 seconds. This is in vernier C. Now measure the angle in vernier D. And the 0 of the vernier is coinciding at main scale reading is 10 degrees 0 minutes 0 seconds, and vernier scale reading is 8 minutes 40 seconds. Therefore, the angle is 10 degrees 8 minutes 40 seconds. Vernier D reading, you enter minutes and seconds, that is 8 minutes 40 seconds, and take the average of these two readings, that is 10 degrees 5 minutes 20 seconds plus 10 degrees 8 minutes 40 seconds. You take the average of these two and enter this average in this particular place. And then this vertical angle is the angle between the A and B. That angle, the average angle, gives you the vertical angle. This is for face left observation. Similarly, you have to do it for face right observation. How to do it for face right observation? Now, loose the tangential screw, vertical clamp screw, loose the vertical clamp screw and reverse the line of sight. So our line of sight was earlier like this. So loose the vertical clamp screw and reverse the line of sight. Now line of sight is reversed. When the line of sight is reversed, once again turn the instrument. Now face left. The vertical circle which was to the left, now the vertical circle is to the right. I have changed the face from left to right. Once again the same procedure you have to adopt. What is the procedure? Make the horizontal, that is vernier C, vernier D, 0 degrees, 0 minutes, 0 seconds, and then bisect the station C. Station B, that is top of the flag post. Note down the reading. Note down the reading in vernier C and vernier D and take the average of this, you will get the vertical angle. So this is how the vertical angle is measured. Understood?